morning, everybody. We have a new incoming vehicle. This is a 21 GMC Yukon AT4 with collision damage. Do a quick walk around. So on the right front fender looks good, hood looks good, right front headlight looks good. No visible signs of suspension damage. Both right side doors and running board are intact. Rear suspension looks like it's forward a little bit. Right rear quarter panel has some damage here. Right rear tail light's damaged. Rear tailgate is damaged. Rear body panel is damaged. Frame rails right there, doesn't look too bad. Exhaust is damaged. Something hit it low underneath here. Caught the rear subframe and suspension. Looks like it went under the car. Rear-ended and went under the car. That's why the rear suspension's pushed forward. So it looks like it pushed it forward on the passenger side. Left rear suspension looks like it's straight and intact. Left rear quarter has some damage. Let's see if we can get a better shot. Left side doors look good. Running board looks good. Left fender looks okay. Left headlight looks okay. You're gonna need a front bumper cover and the grille. Frame looks okay over here. This is part of the bumper support. Apron, radiator support looks good. Take a look under the hood. As expected, everything looks good under the hood. The engine does start. Very quick inside. Nice AT4 package, Bose stereo, AT4 seats with the tan inserts and piping. 7-passenger, no sunroof. Let's take a look at the roof. Got a little buckle in the back over there from the accident. Is that a buckle? Hold on, let me see. Actually, no, that's the rear spoiler. I'm sorry. No buckles in the roof. It's good sign, because if there's damage to the frame, then the whole body will tweak and you'll see buckles in the roof. So that's a good sign. Doors open and close perfectly. Has 25,000 miles. Don't see any airbags deployed. We'll post it on the website soon. Thanks for watching.